Education doesn't end when we leave school. In fact, the moment we stop learning, we stop growing. The world is changing faster than ever. New technologies, new skills, new opportunities are created every single day. But the question is, are you ready for them? That's why I created Virtual School. I am Dipali Sharma, and before anything else, I am a teacher. My mission is simple: to make learning practical, accessible, and meaningful for everyone. Whether you are a student, a teacher, a working professional, or somebody who loves learning new skills, this is the place where you are going to learn real skills, build confidence, and prepare yourself for the future. If you are someone who loves learning and believes that learning should never stop, I would love you to have with us. You can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and also you can join our WhatsApp community where you are going to get free lessons, practical tips, learning resources, and new updates. You can get the links in the description below. Virtual School Desk, learning beyond classroom.